Hello, YouTube family. Today we're talking all about attraction, specifically the signs that don't lie. Join us as we uncover the top 10 signs that someone is attracted to you. Attraction is a complex interplay of emotions and behaviors that can often be difficult to conceal. Whether it's a fleeting glance or a lingering touch, the signs of someone being attracted to you can be subtle, yet significantly revealing. Here are 10 genuine signs of attraction that are typically hard to hide. 1. Prolonged eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most potent forms of nonverbal communication. When someone holds your gaze, particularly with dilated pupils, it often indicates a deep level of interest and attraction. 2. Frequent smiling. A genuine smile not only lights up the face but also the eyes. When someone is attracted to you, their smiles are frequent, spontaneous, and full of real warmth. 3. Mirroring movements. Subconsciously copying your actions, gestures, or even speech patterns is a telltale sign someone feels a strong connection and attraction to you. This mirroring is a way of bonding and showing they are on the same wavelength as you. 4. Closing the distance. If someone consistently tries to reduce the physical space between you and them, it's a strong indicator of attraction. This might be subtle, like leaning in during a conversation or choosing to sit next to you in a group setting. 5. Leaning in. Body orientation during conversations can reveal a lot about someone's feelings. Leaning in towards you while talking signifies engagement and interest. 6. Open body language. Look for signs like uncrossed arms, open palms, and a relaxed posture. These are indications of genuine interest and attraction, showing they are comfortable and open to your presence. 7. Attentive listening. When someone hangs on your every word, asks follow-up questions, and shows genuine interest in what you're saying, it's a clear sign they find you captivating. 8. Light touches. Touch is a powerful communicator in the language of attraction. If someone often finds small excuses to touch your arm, shoulder, or back, they're likely expressing their interest through physical contact. 9. Energetic presence. Notice if their mood brightens and energy increases when you're around. This uplift in spirits can often be attributed to the excitement of being near someone they are attracted to. 10. Remembering small details. If someone remembers little details about your conversations or things you like, it's a sign that you've been on their mind, and they genuinely care about the things that matter to you. Recognizing these signs can give you a clearer insight into the dynamics of your interactions with others. While these indicators are helpful in understanding whether someone might be attracted to you, remember that context and personality also play significant roles in how attraction is expressed. Always consider the broader situation before jumping to conclusions about someone's feelings.